ASUS Vivobook S15, Copilot+PC, SNAPDRAGON X Plus. Unity System Solutions. The first ASUS Copilot+PC, ASUS Vivobook S15. Powered by the latest AI-enabled processors, this PC brings you a next-level AI experience, with enhanced security, speed, and personalization. With integrated AI engine to accelerate AI computing, Copilot in Windows. ASUS Vivobook S15 stands out for its ultra-slim and lightweight design, redefining elegance with its minimalist aesthetics. The premium CNC engraved logo adds a touch of class, while the versatile tapered unibody design ensures solidity and stability. Experience seamless portability and stunning looks without sacrificing power. Processor, Snapdragon X Plus processor 3.4 GHz. Graphics, Qualcomm Adreno, GPU. Memory 16 GB LPDDR5X on board. Storage 1 TB M.2 NVMe SSD. Battery, its 70 Wh high-capacity battery delivers over 18 hours of uninterrupted entertainment and productivity. 60% in 49 minutes fast charging. USB-C Easy Charge. The 15.6-inch 3K 120Hz OLED display, with its 2880 by 1620 resolution, delivers refined specular highlights and extraordinary shadow detail, all in vivid, true-to-life color. Port selection is good and befitting of a 15.6-inch laptop, with 2 USB-C ports supporting USB 4, 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, a full-size HDMI port, and a microSD card reader. All ports are side-mounted. The Vivobook weighs 3 pounds and is 20 mm thick. Your RGB keyboard, your colors. Ready to personalize your experience? ASUS Vivobook S15 introduces a single-zone RGB backlit keyboard, transforming your typing into a vibrant expression of your style. Swipe, pinch, zoom, and play. ASUS Vivobook S15 has an expansive and smart gesture touchpad, your gateway to effortless navigation. Beyond its spacious design, this intelligent touchpad lets you take charge seamlessly. Whether adjusting audio, optimizing screen brightness, or managing video playback, it understands your gestures, making your digital experience both fun and easy. Larger keycap with 19.05 mm key pitch. Dished keycap 0.2 mm. Long key travel 1.7 mm. Smarter cooling. ASUS Vivobook S15 stays cool under pressure with ASUS Ice Cool thermal technology. With 297 ice blades, 2 heat pipes 7, and 2 exhaust vents, cooling system can ensure efficient heat transfer and exhaust, so you can tackle demanding tasks without a performance hit, thanks to smart cooling. Plus, dust filters for both fans keep your laptop pristine,